What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking your time out to click on today's video. That means a lot to me. Y'all, the hair has been on point for a while now, and I wanted to share with y'all exactly what I've been using. So come on in, because you're going to want to know what it is. Look.
No spell, ain't no trick. It's just that woman's magic. Yeah, come on now. She don't chase nobody. She don't beg no love. She know her worth. She's lifted up above.
Y'all, this is the Argan Bright White Cream Lightener. Got it off of Amazon. If you've been on any of my channels and watched me do my hair bleaching process, you know how I had been actually using the BW2 forever, okay? Listen, I am no longer in that club. This is what I have been using, and this helps lift, tone, and brighten my hair while keeping it soft and manageable. Now, this is a cream-based formula. It's designed for smoother application, and it makes it a great option if you're a beginner or even an experienced user in bleaching your hair. This right here is the one to go to. I love it so much. If you're looking to lighten your hair at home without excessive damage, this is your pick right here. This is that girl. She's gonna do it for you, and I have been loving it. I just mix in my developer with this, and baby is the go-to. Shampoo, my Pantene, and conditioner, Pantene, and we are done. This is it right here. Love, 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 love the Argan Bright White Cream Lightener. Get it on Amazon. I'll have links below for everything, affiliate links in the description box. Y'all know how I do it, but I'm gonna put you on. Yes, I am. Now, when it comes to styling my hair, this is it. Ashley Marie Collection Styling Mousse by the Hair Diagram. Y'all, if you're looking for a styling mousse that keeps curls defined without flakes or dryness, this is it. Remember, Ashley Marie Collection Styling Mousse by the Hair Diagram. It's a fast drying mousse, and it helps to control frizz. And if your hair is longer, it's going to give it body. It's going to give it bounce. But most importantly for mine, it gives it that shine, and it keeps it curly and looking beautiful. This versatile mousse helps in strengthening the hair and moisturizing the hair while leaving it silky smooth. And listen, you don't have to worry about breakage or combing discomfort. It's perfect for your curly styles, twist outs, and wash and go looks and everyday styling. It is amazing. I do have a coupon code. I'm an affiliate of the Hair Diagram, so I'm putting y'all on to my code, which is Sweet Angel 10. You can save on your purchase, and baby, you will be glad you check this mousse out. It is like no other. If you're rocking a natural hairstyle, I promise you, you're going to be like, dang, where have I been? No flakes, frizz control, curly mousse, and look, you got a code, and you're going to love it. I promise you. I have used so many different products, but this one here says it all. And I just pump it. I just pump a small amount. You don't need a lot, but if your hair is dry like mine was when I first started out, I did use a little bit more just to get it all nice and lubricated. And baby, then I style it, and that's when the mousse works its magic. You're going to love it.
Y'all, one of my favorite scents just came, but it is the inspired fragrance from Dossier. I have got to share with y'all. Yes, girl. Yes, yes. This is Powdery Peach. Powdery Peach from Dossier. It is inspired by Jimmy Choo. I want you. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I could not live without this one. I was not going to break down by no means and do the original. Cause girl, Why? 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. It smells so good. It smells so good. Your girl is going to be so... Oh my gosh. Smelling so good. Dossier. This is it. Girl, if you don't have him, this will get you him. Oh, yes, it will. Because Royal is throwing bunnies at me. Why? Uh-oh. You got to go way under there and get it. Can you get it? Go. Bye. Get it. Go get it. She's throwing these Easter bunnies at me. And honey, oh, I'm talking about this. I want you. I want you. Oh my goodness. This is it. Dossier.
She's the perfect mix. When she looks your way, boy, your heartbeat skips. She ain't got to say a word, her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in, she's too divine. That woman's magic will mess with your mind. That woman's magic. Ooh, yeah. Got the kind of love that'll...
Hey y'all, I've been meaning to come back and kind of talk about, I've been trying to do the right thing by this old body. And if you're over 60 like me or getting there, you already know that taking care of your body becomes a whole different level of important. And right now, I just want to talk about supplements. I have a drawer full of supplements that I've been taking, and still didn't quite do what I need them to do. So I kind of switched up the game a little bit because I wanted to get an overall multivitamin. And what better supplement is there than to go back to a classic supplement? And I'm talking about the Geritol multivitamin. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me just break it down for you. What it does for me, the benefits, and why I feel it's really worth it for a woman over 60 like myself. Okay, so again, I've been taking all different types of vitamins for different reasons, trying to, get things right. But let's talk about this first off. Geritol, it's packed with 26 essential vitamins and minerals, and that includes your B vitamins for energy, iron for healthy blood, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E for immunity and skin support. Now, let me just talk about the real benefits, and number one being an energy boost. If you've been feeling tired or run down, Geritol contains B vitamins and iron, which help your body turn food into energy. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with fatigue. And, I do only because y'all know a lot of times my granddaughter is here. Her sleep schedule is crazy. I'm trying to do some work in between, giving her quality time. Also, I'm a wife. And baby, things are nonstop around here, so I need energy. And this is what I thought would help me with that after speaking with my physician, okay? Then number two, it supports healthy blood. As we age, our iron levels can drop. Geritol includes iron, which helps prevent low iron levels and supports oxygen flow throughout your body. So that is something that I also needed. And number three, immune support. We all need that. With vitamins like C, D, and E, this supplement helps strengthen your immune system, something we definitely need as we get older. And then number four, bone and muscle health. Vitamin D plays a role in keeping our bones strong, which is super important for women over 60. Time and time again, I know my physician had always said, make sure you're taking your vitamin D, make sure you're heading outside and all of that jazz, okay? So now let's keep it real. Hey, not all the time was I getting outside like I should, and not all the time was I taking my vitamin D. But now, since I have everything all inclusive, it'll make it easier. And we should all know this too. Now, I'm doing the Geritol thing, but as you know, everything isn't for everybody. So is it a good option for you? Is Geritol a good option for you? It can be a great choice if you have low energy, you need extra iron, or your diet isn't giving you enough nutrients. But here's what you need to watch out for, and I'm just going to break it out for you. If you already get enough iron, too much can upset your stomach. Some people may experience nausea. Always check with your doctor, especially if you are on medication. And overall, to me, Geritol is a solid, affordable multivitamin that can help support energy, immunity, and overall wellness, especially for women over 60 who need that extra boost. But remember, supplements are just that, a supplement, not a replacement for healthy eating, hydration, and staying active. All right, now I broke it out for you for the reason why I am taking Geritol now instead of that drawer full of supplements that I had going on, choking them down. That was not the thing. But hey, if you think this can help you, go ahead and check it out. I will have the link below, of course. And if you would, please, just share it with other beautiful queens over 60. This may work for them too as well. But, I'm just trying to change up the game a little bit. And so far, so good.
She let go of the past so she could live. Got that Sunday spirit and that Friday swing. Every move she makes is a sacred dance. Every dream she touches gets a second chance. She don't dim her shine for nobody's